Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to evolve Kisuke in Anime Vanguards. First, navigate to the main lobby and find the evolve room. It's usually situated on the western side, often near the summon section. Once there, interact with the evolve NPC, who resembles Itachi Uchiha, and step into the glowing evolve circle to open the evolution menu. To evolve your unit, you will need several key materials. Each character requires a specific evolution item, so make sure you have Kisuke's unique item. You'll also need a substantial amount of in-game gold, typically around 15,000 coins for mythical units. Additionally, gather various essence stones, such as green, blue, and rarer rainbow essence stones, which are crucial for the process. When Kisuke evolves, he transforms into the powerful Kisuke Scientist. This evolution grants him enhanced abilities, including the capacity to inflict bleed damage on enemies. Furthermore, his attacks will gain the ability to stun opponents, providing valuable crowd control. You can expect a substantial boost in his damage output and overall effectiveness on the battlefield, making him a formidable unit. Before finalizing the evolution, always ensure that the unit you wish to evolve is unequipped from your active team. Once you have gathered all the necessary items and gold, and the unit is unequipped, simply confirm the evolution within the menu. Keep in mind that only units of mythic, exclusive, and secret rarities are eligible for this powerful transformation.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.